Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to log into a Kaplan University online account. Now without any further ado, let's proceed into video. First of all, on your desktop, open any web browser that you are comfortable with. Here I am going with Google Chrome and in the search URL, search for Kaplan University. Once you press enter, you will land on this page and in here, click on the link that says kaplan.com or Kaplan Education Programs for Universities Business. Click on there. That will lead you to the official page of Kaplan University, and on this interface at the upper right corner of your screen you will see sign in portal. Click on sign in and then you will land on this interface, and now here scroll all the way down and in here at exam prep you will see Kaplan test preparation and similarly PMBR matches, and on that video option you will see add option. Once you click on there you will see all the website and email, and similar with the other as well, and in here on any of option you will see a link that says sign in. Click on sign in, then you will directly land on this login page and in here enter your registered email, and after that enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can simply recover if you click on the link that says forget your password, and that will help you to recover your password. Once you're done entering your email and your password, click on login and you will be logged into your Kaplan University online account. So this is how you can simply log into Kaplan University. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and make sure you subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.